it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout, and I'm still working on photos for my stepson, daughter-in-law, and grandkids photo shoot. So today I am going to use that gorgeous piece of red polka dot vellum. It's from My Mind's Eye, the Necessities Reds, and it's the confetti, which this is older. This is probably maybe 4 or 5 years old. And then I'm going to take the photos and I'm going to put them on that kind of floral paper, and that is from, and I did not write it down. Sorry guys, I missed that. It is from A Cozy Christmas by Echo Park. It's one of the pieces from that line, and actually, yeah, I don't know exactly which one it is. I didn't write it down. But anyway, so it's from the Cozy Christmas collection. If you need to know what it is exactly, just ask me and I'll let you know. So I have those 2 tags there, and they are from my Redefine Creative Advent calendars. I don't remember if they're both from 2020 or if some of them are from 2019 and 2020 both. But that's something that you can order just once a year. So I'm thinking I want to put the photos onto that piece of red paper just to pop it off the background a little bit more and give them a little bit more weight. And then I'm thinking I'd like something behind the tag. So I really like that idea of that green polka dot paper. That green polka dot is a scrap piece that I had in my collection of Christmas photos or papers. That red plaid is from Photo Play. It's the Solids Plus, and it's the red from that collection. So I'll trim that up. I am using a piece of basil white cardstock behind the vellum, just so that you can't see the layout behind it. So I'm using my Memento Dewdrop ink in the gray flannel, which is my go-to ink. So then I'm just going to glue this behind where I know at least that red piece of paper is going to be. So kind of trying to figure out how much I want that green paper to go to the other side as well. So I was just trying to figure out how much of that to be able to use. So I just did a quick rough cut, trimmed it up evenly on my trimmer, and then now it comes out the other side. I didn't need much on the left side, but I wanted something. And that just gives a little background for the tags to sit on. So I'll put this red down first, and once that goes down, then I can get the green down. And the gray, I've said this many times before, it gives definition and a little bit of a shadow to the edge of the paper. But because I'm using papers from many different collections, there's at least, well, there's 3 pattern papers and then the vellum from different collections. At least the pattern papers have that shadow behind them, so it all helps them kind of have something similar. Now, I'm thinking I would like to use some of this cork because one of those tags is craft and the cork is brown, so that helps bring some brown into the layout in other spots. Those cork stickers are from Ellie Studio. And then I'm thinking I'd like that cork to be up at the top, so I'm going through the ephemera die cuts from the Cozy Christmas collection. And I'm having a hard time finding something that works. It says Making Spirits Bright up there right now. I use that die cut, but I'm not loving it. That green is really light. And I have the words in the tag on the right, and so that's not the piece that I want. So I'm going to try this one out. And then if I don't use it, I a lot of times I'll just put the stickers on my mat on the side over there to the right, and then that way I can just pull it up if I need to. So looking at some of the chipboard that goes to A Cozy Christmas as well. Just like the icons just aren't working for me. I need something a little big but not too big. So then I go to the element stickers from A Cozy Christmas, and I find this little jug of flowers, and I like that. It has a little bit more presence. I'm thinking about putting the Making Spirits, I think it's making, I don't remember. Anyway, I use that sticker on another layout eventually. But I'm thinking about using that up there, but I decide I don't like it as much. And then I find, I'm looking like, I see this bell, and that's okay. I want a third element up there, and I'm just not finding it yet. And then I find this little snowflake, and that's perfect. Just adds a little bit more dimension. And again, because I have the green paper down now, I can glue a little bit more of the vellum down. And if I hadn't, that's fine. Once it's in the page protector, it will sit down. But it just gives it another little dimension here. Now, as I'm doing this too, I'm thinking I'm missing something. I'm not quite sure what it is, but this feels a little bit simple and plain to me. So I have this bag of gold stars and hearts and other things in both foil and glitter paper that when I have a little bit of glitter paper left, I grab punches and I just punch them out, and then I can go to it. And that tag with the Christmas tree has some white glitter, it has a gold star, it has some red jewels. And so that is a little fancy down there and a little sparkly, but the rest of the layout doesn't have any of that. So I'm going to grab glitter stars here. And I'll grab 3 for each of the embellishment clusters here. And that I like. It just adds a little something in, and it kind of helps join the glitteriness. I don't even know that that's a word, but it makes things look a little bit more special. And so I'm just playing a little bit about where I want that to go. And that makes me much, much happier. Kind of changing a little bit where that one went. I can get that down and that down there. All right. So then the last thing I need to do is I need to grab some twine for my tags. And I am going to use the Paper Studio twine from Hobby Lobby. It comes in like a massive pack. The other thing I should tell you that the little star punch that I used and the glitter paper themselves are from Michaels. The star punch was from the Dollar Spot years ago. So I don't know that that's even available anymore. All right, guys, I'm pretty much done. So here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.